How to get and use iCloud on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can get and use iCloud on your iPhone. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. So to get and use iCloud on your iPhone, first open up your settings app. After you open up your settings app, let's just head back here. After you on your settings app, tap on the iCloud sign in or manage option. So it's really simple to get your iCloud on your iPhone. All you have to do is set it up. To do that, you'll need to tap on your name at the very top here. After you press on it, you should be on your Apple account. And after you hear, what you'll then need to do is you'll need to tap on the iCloud option. So after you logged in into your account here, it will automatically create an iCloud for you. So when you tap on the iCloud option, you can now start accessing it. You can start, backing up stuff on your iCloud and everything. So there are many features in your iCloud as well. You can back up, you can buy more storage and many more. So here, if you see your name, if you're already signed in, you should be able to just get to this section right here. And if you tap on see all here, let me tap on see all saved to cloud, you can see how many and what are backed up into, or what are synced into your iCloud. So there you can see there are a lot of different stuff. You can toggle a few stuff up, toggle it off as well. And yeah, there are a lot of different apps and stuff. So if you've toggled this button on, you'll have synced its data to iCloud. Its data will automatically be saved to iCloud and kept up to date in different devices, such as if your Mac or any other iPhone has the same Apple account or iCloud, all of those will get synced. And as you might have already known, you can also use it as a storage. You can store your stuff here, and yeah, that's how you get and use iCloud on iPhone. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.